Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make two ponytails and now start braiding it as shown in the video and accessorize it. It's done. For next one, take your hairs and tie it properly with the help of a cloth. Now roll it nicely into the bun, fix it and it's all done. For this one, take a hair clip and start rolling your hairs as shown in the video, fix it properly and it's done. For the next one, take a hairband, fix it properly on the hairs. Now take a section of your hair and then start braiding it with the help of a cloth as shown in the video. Now do it nicely till the end and then fix it on the bottom with the help of a cloth and it's all done. For the next one, make two portions of the hair. Now take the one portion and start making the sections out of it as shown in the video. Braid it the first section and make a cute little bun out of it. For the next one, make two ponytails on the front side and then pull it inside out, make the braids out of it, fix it. Now take the remaining part and start making the portions with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section and put the hair clip on it. Now start braiding the hairs with the help of a hair clip. Do it gently and nicely as it will look like this. Now take the remaining portion and start braiding whole portions with the help of your hands and it's all done. For next one, make a half ponytail, then put a bow on the top of it. Now with the help of a bow, start braiding it as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and braid it till the end and it's all done. For this one, make 3 sections out of the hair and do the process as shown in the video. Now take one ponytail and start doing it into the bun as shown in the video and it's all done. For the next one, make the front section of your hair, pull it inside out. Now take the ribbon, fix it properly on the hairs and now start braiding it with the help of a ribbon. Make two braids out of it, roll it inside out and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and take the bun maker. Now start rolling your hairs as shown in the video and fix it properly on the top. Cover it with your hairs and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and tie it properly with the rubber band. Now start braiding your ponytail as shown in the video. Take a small portions of the hairs and now do it gently and nicely till the bottom. Now fix it to the bottom and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and fix the ribbon on it. Now make two sections out of it and start braiding it as shown in the video. Now take it all together and make a cute little bun out of it. Fix it with the ribbon and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and roll it as shown in the video and roll it into a bun nicely and gently. Accessorize it and it's done. For this, make 7 sections out of your hairs and now start braiding each section. Then take some beads and start accessorizing it with the help of a beads as it will look like this. Now take it all together and make a ponytail. It's done. For this, make a half ponytail, braid it into two parts. Now take another part and fix it on the top of it. Take the remaining hairs, braid it nicely and it's all done. Thanks for watching.